Valortec is one of the Ortex Group initiatives to provide sustainable solutions for waste treatment. It is a recycling unit, but above all, a real factory for the production of alternative fuel with a low carbon footprint. The platform is present on 2 sites in the South region and for the last 15 years has been supporting its industrial partners who consume fossil fuels in their energy transition. Building on past experience, Valortec bases its action on 3 commitments: whether the waste is dangerous or not, organic, inorganic, liquid or solid. Valortec offers virtuous know-how to recycle and transform this industrial waste into directly exploitable energy through a complete and exhaustive service offering. Fuel manufacturing from recycled carbon is a sustainable alternative to the use of fossil fuels, in line with our commitment to reducing the environmental impacts linked to industrial activities. More than simply being in compliance, we also implement and apply a proactive policy of reducing our emissions and consumption on a daily basis in line with the Ortex Group's climate plan. The safety of employees, clients and facilities is a priority that places 0 accidents at the heart of the organization and its activity. We pay particular attention to drivers coming to unload and load at these facilities. As the risks are permanent, Valortec has invested massively to secure the unloading stations using walkways, ladders and lifelines so that operators are constantly safe. We are fully aware of today's environmental and social issues, so it is around these 3 strong commitments that, day after day, we commit to sustainable development.